Yeah, it's always been എനിക്ക് a good time because from my first film, I think they have given me that sort of a push and encouragement, not only from the industry but the audience. Most importantly, they have accepted me, though I'm a non-Malayali, and they have given me a footage here. So Malayalam industry has always been, receiving me with applause every time I come with a film. So yes, it's been a good time.
പക്ഷെ മലയാളി അല്ല എന്നുള്ളത് തോന്നത്തില്ല കേട്ടോ മേഘനെ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ. ലുക്ക് വൈസ് ഓൾസോ ആൻഡ് മലയാളം ഇത്രയും ഫിലിംസ് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ കന്നഡയെക്കാളും കൂടുതൽ ഫിലിംസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള മലയാളത്തിലല്ലേ?
Films Malayalam.
In terms of number, it's Malayalam.
Yes, okay. Malayalam.
And which our favorite was, I mean, not our favorite, my favorite was your role in Beautiful.
Thank you.
So it was a good one. And which is your favorite?
And the favorite, it's, I would say,
Beautiful,
from Beautiful, because not because it changed my career or not because the kind of films I got after that. It's because that character what I played, adoru risk eduthu cheyda character, and nobody initially would have accepted angane or a complex character. More than complex, I would say, or a negative role heroine cheyan. It's always it has its own drawbacks, but Beautiful proved that to be wrong. And I think it gave me the confidence to take up more challenging roles after Beautiful.
ഇതിന്റെ സ്റ്റോറി അനുവേട്ടൻ പറയുന്ന സമയത്ത് what are all going through your mind?
No, Anup didn't tell the story to me. The synopsis was emailed.
Okay.
And appo eniki synopsis vaayikkumbol I thought it's a very simple manner illana synopsis undarundu. So I was like, okay, it's in a very, it's they haven't put any kind of extra saying that then she goes into pain and that.
Okay.
No, it's very simple. This is what she does, this is what she does, this is what she does. And the in that synopsis, what really eniki interest in Parnal, it is the fact that they said that she is she plays the negative role, but you never get to know it till the end, and
exactly.
she has to cover up with her subtleness. So that really interested me because I had never played a negative role so far, and I wanted to try something new. And knowing that I would be the leading lady playing the negative character, it was all the more, it made me accept that character.
But I think right now you don't have the language struggle and all. You are very fluent with the Malayalam and all.
Prompting it'll be there. Chalpa times there'll be prompting, but most of the times I try not to take prompting because ഞാനിപ്പോൾ പഠിച്ചു കുറച്ച്.
Very good.
എനിക്ക് സംസാരിക്കാൻ കുറച്ച് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ മാനേജ് ചെയ്യാൻ I try managing.
Good, yeah. It's one of the toughest language, our language, Malayalam.
It's I wouldn't say it's tough. It's just linguistically I would say you have to roll your tongue way too much. It's the only problem.
Which is the most difficult word?
Nothing.
Which you want to?
No, I don't find param, mara, nothing difficult.
Param?
Param.
You can easily say param.
Param, mara.
Mara?
Mara.
Easily?
Yes.
Anybody trained you
No,
personally?
I'm a half Tamilian, so എനിക്ക് ഈ മഴ തമിഴ് അതെല്ലാം പറയാൻ എനിക്ക് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടില്ല.
You're a half Tamilian also. Okay. So Kannada movies നെ വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും see what is the main difference which you find Tamil and Malayalam?
എല്ലാം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയും നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഒരു ഡിഫറൻസ് പറയുന്നു എങ്കിൽ ഐ തിങ്ക് മലയാളം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി ഈസ് മോർ ഓഫ് എ സ്കൂൾ. ഞാൻ എല്ലാ ഇൻ്റർവ്യൂസിൽ ഐ വുഡ് സേ ദിസ് ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എൻ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി വിച്ച് ടീച്ചസ് അസ് ഫ്രം ദ ബേസിക്സ്. Be it acting, be it there's one more thing about the industry that എപ്പോഴും ഞാൻ കണ്ടത് any actor here I have seen, I don't know about the others, but എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ personal experience പറയണമെങ്കിൽ nobody has had any kind of ego with me. And even though I don't know the person, they have always greeted me with warmth and they have always spoken to me in a very well mannered way. So I have seen that here mostly. That's one thing. And if you ask me the making of the film, I think I would say South Indian industry firstly I think Malayalam industry is one of the industry which is trying new stuff technically. And I would proudly say that being a part of this industry and now almost turning into a Malayali, I would say that I'm proud of being in this industry because ee industry lana we try to take initiatives. And we have taken and proved it right also.
Experiment a lot also,
yes.
right?
I mean almost all the films, especially the films coming out now, we are not just technically experimenting, but even subject wise, Parnal, you will find vast array of subjects. Plus, we don't do remakes here.
Okay.
Everything has been straight subjects.
Exactly.
That's I would say.
കുറച്ച് മുമ്പ് ചുരിദാറിലാണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടത് കേട്ടോ. കാരണം ഇതാണ് ഫിലിമിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഡിഫറൻസ് കേട്ടോ. നമ്മൾ മെമ്മറീസിൻ്റെ സെറ്റിലാണ്. യു ആർ പ്ലേയിങ് എ ഡബിൾ റോൾ. നേരത്തെ ഒരു ഭയങ്കര ട്രഡീഷണൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള റോൾ വന്നു, ഇപ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര മോഡേൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡ്രസ്സ്.
ഇല്ല, I'm not playing a double role. Actually, I'm a very modern wife. Very the yummy mummy.
മോഡേൺ വൈഫ്.
Yeah.
ഒരുപാട് മെച്യൂർഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് ആണല്ലോ മേഘയ്ക്ക് വരുന്നത്. വൈ ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് സോ?
എനിക്ക് മെച്യൂർ ഇവിടെ ഐ വുഡ് സേ ദാറ്റ് ദ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് what I'm playing are basically very what can I say unusual. എല്ലാ ഹീറോയിൻ ചെയ്ത പോലെ ഞാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. And the kind of characters I've played them not for the kind of age they show, but for the kind of content they have.
Okay.
And memories le ende character is a very very important one, because I think Prithvi's whole character revolves around mine.
Okay.
And if my character is not there, then Prithvi's character does not exist, and that's how the movie is based. So it's basically memories, and you know, it's her, Prithvi, and the child. So and even though you know it has me playing a mother, I think it's a very pivotal role, a very important one, and something well, it's fun playing this character. One thing, because I have played a housewife before, Namakku Parkanile, but this is something different. You know, each and every housewife have their own character.
Okay.
So here she's more playful. In Namakku Parkan, adre valare responsibilities. She has to, you know, valare tensions. Ellam ulla oru housewife, but here she's carefree. She is more of you know, the happy, bubbly, and energetic, and she's only concerned about the family. That's, you know, that's Prithvi's character, and the child. So it's like that. So it's a very free-spirited housewife character.
Joining with Prithvi for the first time, right?
Yes.
Okay. How is the experience with him?
He is brilliant. He's brilliant, and Eniki, I just it's been just 2 days, 3 days since I started work, and I think Prithvi is an amazing person. You can gel along with him very well, and he's made me feel so comfortable. Initially, I had my own questions about how will Prithviraj be, because it's the end of first film with Prithvi. I've already done 2 films with Indran, and Indran is a very good friend of mine. So in you know, in that sense, so I had this question, okay, how will Prithvi be? You know, all that apprehensions initially, but he's amazing. He's a brilliant human being.
And about red wine, working with our Laletan.
Yeah.
So how was the experience?
It's another very memorable experience, because Laletan is a very genuine human being. ഞാൻ എനിക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡേ ഒരു സൂപ്പർ സ്റ്റാർ കൂടെ ആക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഉള്ള എല്ലാ നെർവസ്നെസ്, എല്ലാ എക്സൈറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്, എല്ലാം ഒരു what can I say, all that mixed emotions ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So when I first went on the sets, Laletan came and he introduced himself saying, "Hi Meghna, I'm Mohanlal."
Wow.
So that was extremely memorable and extremely humbling on his part, because oru superstar angane, you know, to be so down to earth, to be able to mingle with everybody on the sets, and he's extremely punctual. So I was totally bowled over by Laletan.
How about missing your family?
Well, I tend to miss my family a lot because I keep traveling.
Yeah.
എനിക്ക് അതൊരു habit ആയിപ്പോ. But since I'm used to my parents traveling a lot, and now they are getting used to me traveling a lot.
Okay.
Well, I'm staying for a pretty long time now, so I'll be staying for over a month and a half here. So yeah, pretty much missing my family already.
We would like to know when you would like to dub a movie in Malayalam.
Very
Your own
soon,
voice.
I would want to do it. I prefer dubbing for myself, always. Kannadale അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തമിഴിലെ, yeah, I do both languages. So മലയാളം എനിക്കിപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ ഡിക്ഷൻ ഈസ് പ്രിറ്റി ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് വാട്ട് പീപ്പിൾ സേ, ബട്ട് ഇന്നും പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ആകണം. പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഐ വിൽ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഇൻ മൈ കമ്മിങ് ഫിലിംസ് ഡബ്.
മേഘ്ന ആസ് എൻ ആക്ടർ എന്തൊക്കെ ഹോംവർക്സ് ആണ് മേഘ്ന റെഗുലർ ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാറുള്ളത്? ഒരു ആക്ട്രസിന് വേണ്ട എന്തെല്ലാം കാര്യങ്ങളാണ്?
ഹോംവർക്ക്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്ക് ബേസിക്കലി ഐ തിങ്ക് എനിക്ക് ഫിലിംസ് കാണാൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ പാഷൻ.
വാട്ട് കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് മൂവീസ്? ഓൾ
everything. I don't stick to a particular genre, but I watch all kinds of films and all languages, preferably. I have no language barrier. Eniki adu kandittu I really try to probably place myself in that person's character and do it a different way. So I like doing that, and I keep doing that, you know, when I mentally I do that when I'm watching a film. I mean, ipo njan oru theater ku pobol, you know, I have that leisure thing in my mind, so I will not do that. പക്ഷേ വീട്ടിൽ ഒരു DVD ഇട്ടിട്ട് കാണുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക്, you know, I have this habit of placing myself in their character and how I could have done it in a different manner. So adana, you know, you can say that is the kind of homework I do. Alengil, you know, if my character demands anything in particular, I try to, you know, probably study. Suppose, you know, in Raghavende Sonnam Rasya, Vinyan sir's film, I had to play a person who is mentally, she's not correct. She's totally lost it. She's in a different world, and she's mad. Or a layman's words partner, she's mad. She's mad. So I had to actually watch videos of how people. But you know, there, and I've also seen many people going on the roads and you know, talking to themselves or dancing or just so I used to sit and observe all this. So what we see around us is what we do. So that was the kind of preparation I did for that character. So basically, I love watching films and imbibing myself.
Okay, so how would you maintain your physique and all? Are you foodie?
I'm a big foodie.
Okay.
I was just talking to Prithvi about how much I love eating.
Okay,
And
what's your favorite Kerala dish?
my favorite Kerala dish is appam and fish curry. I love appam and fish curry. I can have it breakfast, dinner, lunch, everything. I can have appam.
With tea also?
I can have
Just
appam,
kidding.
tea kuda, coffee kuda. I just love appam. So I'm a big fan of appam.
Okay, so and coming back to your upcoming projects. So what are the projects which we can expect from you very soon?
Well, as of now, Up and Down release ayitunde. And
Yes.
Yes, I'm hearing very good
I'm so
reviews
sorry.
about the film.
I'm going to watch the movie.
Yes, you should watch the film because adoru vallu unique film and it's a very innovative idea. Oru lift gulle, I mean, in the Indian film industry, Angal Kandal, it's totally different. It stands in a different genre altogether. Though it is a thriller.
Is it an experimental movie?
It's definitely experimental, and I think the experiment has been successful because TK Rajiv Kumar sir has made the film in such a way, our confined space to make each and every frame interesting because it is a thriller is a huge task. Adeyalla, and there was also this task of getting all the actors together because we are like almost 12 of us, 12. Okay, put us 15 of us because you know it's the whole apartment and everything. So 15 artists together in one cramped space, and you know almost similar frames. Adit Chembol, you know, you have to be really creative. So the credit totally goes to TK sir and. Of course, all my co-stars too. While doing the film, I think I would say that it is definitely a family film because 15 to 20 days we you know were there together for the film, and it was not like, you know, mine is a different character so I played. No, it's not like that. Rajesh sir made sure we had to discuss before each and every shot. We discussed that how will you do, how will I do.
You used to know the other band's character also.
Yes, you should know everything because it's happening in a space and you know you're interacting. It's basically interaction. And that was how we worked. It was not like I'm the director, you listen to me. No, Rajiv sir is not like that. He stands back, he lets you do your job. So that made it all the more easy for us to do. So it's a very special film, and I was very happy when I heard good reviews about the film. And there was more than one website online which quoted Up and Down as a perfect film. So I think thank you critics, thank you audience for making Up and Down a perfect film, and I hope you all will go and watch it again and again.
Sure, definitely.
Meghna, what's your concept about marriage and all? Is it the
Marriage is an institution.
institution? Okay.
An institution.
It's a nice definition here. Come on.
It's an institution. I don't know. It's basically two people living together who are very much in love. Well, see, marriage is basically bonding of two people, and how it's something in a very Indian concept. It's about being together, being there for each other, and always, you know, being the pillar for the other one. So it's basically lots of love, and it's basically about, what can I say? I don't know much about marriage, but this is what I think marriage is. So It's a very lovely relationship.
You have a lot many fans here. For them, what's your concept about your husband?
My husband.
Yeah, you do have a concept, no?
No,
Dream
I don't.
about husband.
I don't.
His appearance, how he looks, and his
No, I
behavior
don't know. I don't know how he looks. I haven't seen my husband yet.
and all.